Alex Tardy here with Weather Echo. We've got a weather insight for you. The same upper low, yes, that closed cutoff storm system that's been bringing showers and thunderstorms to parts of California is still here. It's now over Southern California, but we also have a new Pacific storm coming in. Yes, first significant storm coming in off the Pacific. So a lot is going on. Widespread showers and thunderstorms with locally heavy rain in part of the west and even in part of the southwest. Okay, this is what's going on. This is a current view on September 26th. So here we are on Friday. The old upper low is right overhead, Southern California. A Pacific storm is gathering a lot of moisture, as you see there in the green and yellow shaded, with a couple atmospheric rivers involved. Now, the tropics have become active. The Pacific continues to be active, as shown here, but also in parts of the Atlantic as well. A lot of that red moisture is going to stream up into the mid-Atlantic region. So several things going on, and it looks like the moisture that's going into Arizona today, producing thunderstorms, severe weather, that new surge ahead of that upper low in Southern California is going to combine, it's going to wrap into Southern California and combine with the Pacific storm. Let's take a look how that evolves. Okay, currently we have that old upper low. It's cut off from the main jet stream, which is the black line across southern Canada, the North Pacific. That Pacific storm is going to give it a kick, but it's going to take a couple days. That new Pacific storm comes in on Monday with a well-defined cold front, atmospheric river stretched out across from it. At the same time, we see moisture consolidating in the mid-Atlantic region as well. So a lot going on the East Coast and the wet coast and West Coast, not just wet coast, coming up over the next few days. So this is a look at the average models or the 21-member ensemble for this period. Okay, this map here we've used recently. This one did very well with predicting the elevated thunderstorms that occurred in the central coast of California. So the upper low is going to draw that moisture into the southern Sierra Nevada, Mojave Desert, Imperial Valley as shown here. In the meantime, new thunderstorms will form in the deserts as well. Now, the Pacific storm is still far away, but it'll be approaching the Pacific Northwest and Northern California late this weekend. So the green shaded is the anomaly. So this shows Saturday night where the most significant moisture will be focused. And you can see there's an area over central Southern California here and going up into the Great Basin as well. And then you see another area of moisture stretching from the south, almost monsoon-like, into New Mexico. Now, when we go forward in time into Sunday night and Monday, that cold front Pacific storm starts to make landfall in Northern California. And the two, as moisture now lifts into the northern Great Basin, the two start to merge. So the upper low is going to get kicked out by Sunday and Monday, kicked to the east as that Pacific storm moves in. Now, as we go into early next week or Monday, the main storm from the Pacific is now across central Northern California, so I-80 northward. And all that moisture from the upper low that's been sitting around California this week and the new moisture that gets drawn up in Arizona and New Mexico, that's going to lift up across the Great Basin. You see some dark green anomalies, meaning the moisture in that area for this time of the year is unusually high. So the bottom line is a lot of showers and thunderstorms, some of this organized, even coming out of the desert, some of it organized in Southern California deserts, and of course organized along the frontal band along the Pacific with that incoming storm in central Northern California. So potential significant rain for Northern California, potential significant rain for a large portion of the Great Basin and Desert Southwest area. Hope you found this useful. More information is found on our blog. Also, real-time information is found on X. And you can also watch shorts and clips on TikTok and YouTube. Sign up if you haven't signed up for the blog yet. Thanks for joining.